This will be the first time that it will only be the song part. I couldn't find anything for the lyrics, so yeah. Also, there's no encore, so let's just get this video started. Not gonna lie, that was a pretty cute rap battle. Why are you backing away? Because that thing is right behind you. Ah! What the heck is that? Tankman, save me! Fine. Thanks, you're a real hero, Tankman. Yeah, you're welcome. Say, do you have a boyfriend by any chance? Yeah, why are you asking me that? Because every boyfriend and girlfriend has got a boyfriend. So, I was just asking, is that thing your boyfriend or no? No, I would never date this 10-foot looking eye monster. Then where's your boyfriend? Oh, he's on my way. Can't you at least tell him that I saved you? Yeah, I'll tell my boyfriend. Damn, your boyfriend's buff? My boyfriend is Steve. Wait, you're gay? Duh. My son's name is Pico. Oh, that's Steve. We should probably stop chatting and, well, take down this monster once and for all.